So, how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? What is the area in square centimeters of a rectangle with a length of 34 centimeters and a width of 29 centimeters? So it's just another definition problem. 34 multiplied by 29 is the same thing as 34 times 30 minus 34, which is equal to 1020 minus 34, and the answer is 986. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So we do have a rectangle. So the rectangle, if you draw this out, has a length of 34 centimeters and a width of 29 centimeters. Now, if you have a calculator, you simply just multiply 34 times 29. That's fast. You can also go ahead and do long multiplication. So 34 multiplied by 29 is equal to, so 36, so 6, 3 here, 3 times 9 is 27 plus 3, that's 30, plus, put the 0, 8, and 6, and you have the same 986. That's the first way of doing this problem outside of the calculator solution. Now, what I typically prefer to always use tricks, always. So 34 times 29 is the same thing as 34 multiplied by 30 minus 1. And you kind of do this automatically once you get used to this trick. So you get 34 times 30, which is a lot easier to multiply, minus 34. Now, I know what this is. This is 1020. If you do not know, then of course you have to do long multiplication, which is going to be slightly easier. So 34 times 30, that's equal to 3 times 1 is 2, and then 10, and then you drop the 0. So 1020. Now I know it's 1020. Then you subtract 34. You can do this in your head. If you can't, then of course you have to do the long subtraction as well, which makes things slightly more complicated for you if you're not very familiar with mental math. So you have 6 here, then here you have 11 minus 3, that's 8, and then you have 986. Or just do this in your head, where this is equal to 1020 minus 34, it's equal to 986. That's the answer. That's it.